I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
There you go. Gotta scoot in there a little bit. So we just got done with our camping at, got my Silver State hat.
Miola State Park, Lake.
Miola State Park. Miola.
Miola.
Miami County, Paola.
Miola.
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 So anyways, we just got done with our, we've been out here for almost a week. Just dumped all the tanks because the site we had was not full hookups.
They had water and electricity.
Had water and electricity. There was campsites that were...
There's only 2 full hookups. Or there's 7? There's 7.
Yeah, 7.
Sorry.
There's like 5 in a row, and then 5 in a row, and then 2 kind of up on the hill.
Full hookup for residents that do not live in this area is $19. $17 for the site that we were at, which is everything except for sewer.
We actually camped next to the lake.
And on the lake, there is also a beach area. There is boat.
There's docks for the boats.
Docks. And then on the other side, kind of, or definitely a little bit further away from the water, is a campground.
Or the campground we were at.
Wow. Sorry. Playground.
Tell you.
Playground. Playground.
Playground.
Playground.
Playground for all the kids.
First, I'm going to go on the slide.
Maya. What's it?
Oh, I just stuck.
No, I'm not. I couldn't get down.
Okay, see me? Hey guys. Okay, this is the park, guys. I forgot. This. I know I just coming. Shoot. Go first. No. Oh! So I'm gonna hold it. Well, don't touch anything. Guys, I'm coming somewhere.
Roger, don't put it down.
I'm not.
When you're done, just give it.
Which was a really cool playground.
Yeah.
And it was old school too, man. We're talking about metal slides and friggin' wooden things and
there was a bathhouse in the middle of the whole camp area.
a woman in men's side that
Has a security code.
yeah, actually has a security code. It's cleaned daily. About mid-morning, so cleaned every day about mid-morning. And there, in the men's side, there was a couple of urinals, a couple of stalls, and then a giant showering area that had, I think, 3 showers in it.
I apologize, I do not know what the women's area looked like. Our babies were with us, and
I'm pretty sure it's about the same.
yeah.
But yeah, the grandkids were with us, and they were refusing to go to the bathhouse. mainly because even though I would be there with them,
Gigi was not.
Gigi was not there to guard the door
Yeah.
while we were in there. So, with that being said, we all showered at the RV, which was fun and exciting, trying to shower me and two boys who just wilded out in the dirt and grime, and trying to do it quick enough that you don't fill up your tanks after you just dump them.
Yeah.
So,
So the only thing that I would say my only dislike of the whole area was there's no limitations on how many vehicles you can have at your site, which I know is complete opposite of what we said at the KOA. But I can kind of understand and appreciate now why there's a limitation, because
with this being a holiday weekend, everybody
was
had
cars
family and friends.
everywhere.
Made it really difficult to get around and get the RV.
But we worked
Out.
as a team and got out of there.
Absolutely. You learn real quick that you don't listen to anybody but your co-pilot. Just throwing it out there.
So that
So,
was our review of Miola State Park, Miola Lake Campground.
it was an absolute beautiful area.
Beautiful.
Definitely
area.
recommend it if you guys are ever out in this area and stay. Right now, they do not take reservations, so it's a first come, first serve. Henceforth, why we were out here all week, because we were afraid with it being a holiday weekend that we may not have a spot. So we came out early and stayed. Our only other big complaint was the fact that they allow boats to actually
Oh yes.
come up on the beach where everybody's swimming and stuff. Earlier, a couple of boats came up and they were even there this morning, so they've been camping there all night. But the fact is that it's a swimming beach. Everybody's out there having a good time and enjoying themselves, and all of a sudden here comes a boat just tooling in and docking.
Now,
It's-
thankfully, they did shut off their propellers and everything like that, but still, unless you've been watching for a very, very long time, how do you know with 100% certainty there's not somebody underwater where you are? And then also, whenever you're needing to back out of that area, like, it just seems very...
Yeah, they shouldn't allow boats to come up on the beach. There's docks straight across from the beach. They could go over there, but they really shouldn't allow boats to be able to come up on the swimming beach. Other than that, I mean, honestly, it is an absolute must-see, especially with all the campsites being right by the lake. So there's one row that's actually on the lake. We were in the second row from that, but we woke up every morning with a shot of the lake, so we never had an issue there. And then the full hookups are actually up the hill a little bit. But even with that being said, you're still within steps, like she said, of the lake.
The dump station, if you don't get one of the full hookups, it's a little bit of a drive.
Yeah, if you stay for a long period of time, definitely recommended to have one of the dookie tanks.
Yeah, it was funny. We actually unhooked, complete breakdown, basically, and we went and dumped and then came back, and our neighbor said, guys,
We have like a community tank that everybody
he's
uses
like,
over
I
there.
wish you would have said something where you guys could have used such and such. And I mean, we have to learn to get better at that. Kyle and I are very much like, when we get there, we're,
Keep to ourselves.
yeah, we want to, well, I don't want to say keep to ourselves, but
No, the really bad
we
part
want to
is
look
that
like we're professionals.
we actually kind of became friends with some people that showed up the same day we did, and then we were supposed to get their number and stuff when we left. Yeah, we failed. We totally loaded up and just bolted. So
But
we did give them a card, so hopefully we'll hear from them.
It's a must-see, guys.
Yeah,
It's a
absolutely.
must-see.
Paola Lake, I'm assuming. Oh, there's also a dam. They got fishing, boating, jet skis. I mean, whatever you can get out here. It's just an absolute beautiful area.
There
And-
isn't anything that you yourself would be able to rent as far as a boat or skis or anything like that. It's very much bring your stuff, and we have the place for you to put it.
Yeah, but you are also 5 minutes from the city of Paola. So that means Walmart, anything you want to eat or anything like that. So if you actually forget anything, you're only 5 minutes from your local stores.
Yep.
So, all right. So with that being said, it definitely gets the K&R thumbs up.
We'll be out there again.
Oh, absolutely. That's going to be a must go on a regular basis. So we appreciate it, guys. Love everybody, and we will see you guys soon.
Deuces.
Deuces.